Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you download your Google Docs file as a PDF file. So if you have created a Google Docs file and now you want to create an offline copy for it, and you don't want to lose any content, or you don't want it to get mismatched anywhere, so you want to download it as a read-only PDF file. So how do we do that? The process is pretty simple. All you got to do is make sure you have opened up your Google Docs file which you want to download as a PDF. Once you are there, you just need to go to the file and click on this download button. Here there are different options in which you can download the file. So here one of the options is a PDF document. So just click on this PDF document and just provide it a name. What is lorem ipsum docs, and click on save. So it will take a few seconds and then your PDF file would be downloaded. Here you can see the extension is .pdf. So that's how you can download a simple Google Docs file into a PDF file. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.